Why are people staring at us? I don't know, something feels wrong. Someone laughed at me today.
What did they say?
They said we are bad people.
That is not true.
Did something happen at school?
Yes, everyone was whispering. This is strange.
Very strange.
I heard neighbors talking.
About us?
Yes, they said we caused trouble.
That is not true.
Someone is spreading lies.
But who? I feel scared. I'm here with you.
We will find the truth.
Yes, we will.
I saw Mrs. Carter talking loudly.
What did she say?
She said we fight every night.
That is a lie.
She told my friend bad things.
That is not fair.
Why would she do this?
I don't understand.
Maybe she doesn't like us.
That is not a reason.
My teacher asked me questions.
What kind of questions?
About our home.
That is serious.
This is getting worse.
We must act.
Let's stay calm first.
Good idea.
I will talk to her. Be careful. Don't argue.
I won't.
I won't.
Why are you saying these things?
Because they are true.
That is not true.
People believe me.
You are hurting us. That is not my problem.
Please stop.
I will say what I want.
Go away. This is wrong.
She won't listen.
I was afraid of that.
We need proof.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
I feel worse now. Just feel worse strong. Stay strong.
Let's watch her actions.
Quietly.
We must be careful.
I understand.
I understand.
She is talking again. She is talking again. I see her.
She is telling lies to others.
Oh.
This is bad.
People are believing her.
We must stop this.
I don't want to go outside.
I know.
This affects everyone.
Yes, it does.
I have an idea.
Tell me.
Tell me. We need someone to hear the truth.
Like who?
Someone who can help.
Good thinking.
Let's talk to the teacher.
That is safe.
Explain everything clearly.
I will.
What is happening?
Someone is lying about us.
I'm telling you, it wasn't an accident.
Who is it?
Our neighbor.
Do you have proof?
Not yet. Stay low, Lily.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Trust. You shouldn't trust them.
We've got her.
They are a danger to this street.
We did it! We did it!
This is undeniable.
Tomorrow, we take this to the school.
How is she doing?
Thank you for coming.
I don't see why I'm here.
Listen to this. Listen to this.
Do you have anything to say?
I'm sorry for the lies.
The truth always wins.
I'm happy again.
We did it together.
Mrs. Carter, we need to talk.
About what?
These statements are not true.
Who says?
We have evidence.
That is not possible.
You said those things. I was mistaken.
This hurt our family.
I'm sorry. You caused fear. I understand. You must stop. I will. Yeah. Please tell the truth now.
I will.
I'm sorry.
I was very scared.
This must not happen again.
It won't. People know the truth now.
Yes. My friends talk to me again.
Everything is better.
Yes.
Lies don't last long.
I feel happy again.
We stayed calm.
And strong.
We were smart.
We didn't fight. I learned something. What? What?
Truth is important.
Very important. Very important.
Family must stay together.
Always. Not everyone is kind.
That's life.
But we stay good.
Yes.
Lies can hurt, but truth heals. I am not afraid now.
We did the right thing.
Yes.
I am proud of us.
Me too.
Thank you, Lily. Always. Stay honest, stay strong.
And truth will win.